Parang kilala ko nga yan eh. Alam na alam ko yan. Familiar sa akin eh. Oh,
Good for you. Sana oil.
Sana may oil.
Uy!
Alam ko na.
Alam mo na.
Oo, ako gumawa nito eh.
Oh my God.
Ay, wait.
Hindi na surprise.
Pero di ko alam na bibigay niya. Pinagawa lang. Yun.
Uy! Grabe. Okay.
iPhone 17. Ano pala yun?
Yes.
It might seem crazy what I'm about to say. Sunshine, she's here. You can take a break. I'm a hot air balloon that could go to space. With the air, like I don't care, baby, by the way. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you feel like a room without a roof. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you feel like happiness is the truth. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you know what happiness is to you. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you feel like that's what you want to do. Here come bad news, talking this and that. Well, give me all you got and don't hold it back. Well, I should probably warn you, I'll be just fine. 'Cause I'm happy. Clap along if you feel like a room without a roof. 'Cause I'm happy. Clap along if you feel like happiness is the truth. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you know what happiness is to you. Clap along if you know what happiness is to you. Clap along if you feel like that's what you want to do.
Dapat mong ma-realize. Kaya malinaw na itong babaeng ito, no, ay bigay sa iyo ng may kapal. Isang babaeng katulad mo sa lahat ng bagay. Oh, yan ang sigaw ni Adan eh. Narito ang isang tulad ko. At ang sabi niya, laman ng aking laman at buto ng aking buto. Hindi kayang paligayahin kahit ng maraming pera, ng maraming ari-arian, walang laman ang buhay mo bago siya dumating. Kaya siya ay laman at magiging laman ng buhay mo, ng kinabukasan mo, ng mga pangarap mo, ng katuparan ng lahat ng gusto mo.
Kate, kailanman ay hindi kita pagtataksilan. Isuot mo at pakaingatan ang singsing na ito na siyang sanla ng aking pag-ibig at katapatan sa ngalan ng Ama, ng Anak, at ng Espiritu Santo.
Alan Paulo, kailanman ay hindi kita pagtataksilan. Isuot mo at pagkaingatan ang singsing na ito na siyang sanla ng aking pag-ibig at katapatan sa ngalan ng Ama at ng Anak at ng Espiritu Santo.
Ngayon, Alan Paulo, batiin mo ang iyong may bahay ng isang masuyong halik ng pag-ibig. Kiss the bride.
You would always ask me those words I say.
Today is the day we've been dreaming of, and I'm excited and happy that I get to marry the love of my life. Thank you for being my partner, my rock and love of my life. I'm so proud to become your wife, and I can't wait to see where this incredible journey take us.
Hey, bro! Hey, bro! Long time!
Naman.
Mamaya! May bakit po?
Anyari?
Congrats!
Through every prayer, every season of waiting, and every challenge we face, God was preparing us for this day. And as I stand before Him, and everyone we love. I know that every tear, every prayer, and every test was worth it. Because it all lead me to you. Alan Paulo, you are my answered prayer, my greatest adventure, and the one I will keep.
Brando.
Thank you, Master.
You're best man.
Thanks. Thanks, Pops.
Si...
Sexy Gemma. Sexy Annie. Mamahalin at magiging kakampi. Here's a lifetime of kulitan, tawanan at inisan. Wala nang atrasan kasi wala ka na rin choice. Kasi nandito silang lahat and I can wait to build everything we've ever dreamed together. I love you, boo.
Every single day, you always act this way.
Sukat ah. Oh, this is your new dress.
Alam mo naman, mahal na mahal.
Iba na yun.
Mahal na mahal.
Yun naman.
Lately, umiyak. I love you, boy. And thank you for being a good sister, a twin sister of mine. And I am wishing you a happiness, a peace of mind, and happy marriage. Love you. Pray lang, Lord.
From the moment you entered my life, you filled with love. I never knew I needed and a joy I never knew as possible. Kate, to me, it was love at first sight.
We will have together as a husband and wife. May the wristwatch bring a smile for your face. See you later. Parang baliktad. Message!
It's crazy how it all came through and how exaggerated. Then, I can't believe it's God's funny way of letting me know that He has answered my prayers. Because you are the exact partner I prayed for, and that was the first time I truly alive again.
Matagal niya ng ano. Yeah. Lagi po na. Ayaw. Ano daw?
Kate Abadilla Labrador, mahal na mahal kita. At hayaan mo hanggang sa malanta yung bouquet na hawak mo. Hawak na hawak mo sa altar. Tupatunayan ko sa'yo, salitang sa'yo lang ako.
For this is all I know. I'll never go far away from you. I'll never go far away from you. Even the sky will tell you that I need you so. For this is all I know. I'll never go